Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a full face using all Urban Decay makeup, or mostly all Urban Decay makeup anyways. Let me know if you want to see any more videos like this on different brands and what they are, and let's get into it. Okay, so first, skipping over foundation since I don't have one from Urban Decay, I'm going to go in with the concealer, the Naked Skin Concealer. I have mine in the shade Fair Neutral. So I do really like this concealer. I think it looks really nice on the under eyes. I think it looks very smooth. It doesn't pick up on dryness too bad and it doesn't crease too bad. Next, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is the original one and it's a little itty bitty sample size, but these last forever. So this one doesn't provide any extra color, but I do feel like it really does make a difference in the shadow performance. And then we're going to go in with the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. This is the only Urban Decay palette that I own actually, and I don't feel like this one was very well received. So let me swatch this for you and show you how it looks. Hot Spot, Caution, Bang Bang, and Feels, Juicy, Turn On, Ambition, and Bling, Devilish, Young Love, Drunk Dial, and Privacy. So there are all of the swatches. It's not too bad. I feel like the darker shade is pretty patchy though. So let's go ahead and make a look out of this. So here is the Naked Cherry palette on the eyes. I think it looks really nice. Again, the darkest shade is a little patchy, so you have to work with that one a bit, but the other mattes are really nice and blendable. They didn't have any patchiness to them. I did have a tiny bit of fallout, but that just swept away. And the shimmer applied really nicely, so I haven't tried any of the other Naked palettes, so you guys will have to let me know how those are and which one is your guys' favorite. Next, I'm going to be applying the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion, which is their black. I really do like their eye pencils. They're very pigmented and they don't really budge much, so I do really like these. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using the Perversion mascara. Okay, so as you can see, the first coat just starts adding that length and building up those lashes. It looks very fluttery and nice without looking clumpy. And then the second coat, when you put that on, it just builds up the volume again without getting clumpy. So I do really like this mascara. If you guys have tried it, you'll have to let me know what you think of it. And then for brows, I'm going to be using the Brow Blade, and I have mine in the shade something, Brown Sugar. So this is one of my favorite Urban Decay products. It has the ink stain on one side, which I really like. And then if you don't use the ink stain or aren't very comfortable, it has a very fine brow pencil on the other side. Both of these products are really great. So I would highly recommend this. Again, this is probably my favorite Urban Decay product. And for bronzer, I don't have one from Urban Decay, so let's use their competitor, Too Faced. Yeah, this is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And for blush, I don't have one of those either, so I'm going to just dip my blush brush into Juicy and Feels and see how that works. And for highlight, one of my favorites is the Afterglow highlighter in Sin. I originally got this in an Ipsy, and I love this highlighter. It's been in one of my favorites before. It's so beautiful. And for lips, I own 4 products from Urban Decay. First is this matte lipstick in Bad Blood. And then I have 2 Vice long-lasting liquid lipsticks. One is in Big Bang. Obviously you can see I didn't purchase this myself. I got it in a bag because metallic fuchsia is not really my thing. And then I have the shade Amulet. So it's like a darker nude. I didn't really like this formula. It's pretty moussey and I don't know, just not great. And then I have the Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss in SPL. So I do really like these glosses. This is more of like a glittery pink finish. So I think I'm gonna go with Amulet. See how that looks. And then put a little bit of that gloss in the center. And then lastly, to finish it off, everybody's favorite Urban Decay product. This is the All Nighter setting spray. I really love this setting spray, just like everybody, I'm sure. This makes your makeup last a tremendous amount of time, so it's really great. So here is a full face using Urban Decay makeup, sans a few products. But let me know what your favorite Urban Decay product is and what products you think I should check out from the brand. Let me know, and I will see you in my next video.